In this section, we will learn about group spaces. A group space is comparable to what parents previously knew as a fusion page. Your group space allows your students to become more engaged and connected than before. Your group space offers virtually endless opportunities to stay organized with multiple students in multiple classes and are a perfect fit for just about everything and everyone at your school. Group spaces are ideal for receiving information about club competitions and meeting times, as well as resources for helping students catch up on what they've missed and prepare for what's next. Let's start by looking at your personalized group space. At the top of the page, click on Groups Dashboard. Your dashboard shows a unified activity stream displaying the most recent actions taken in each of a teacher's groups, as well as upcoming calendar events scheduled for each of the user's groups. For a more specific view of your child's class, hover over Classes and select a student name and a specific class. Here we see a recent activity stream as well as resources. Homework assignment will be posted in the calendar section. Athletic and club group spaces will be available for those students involved in an extracurricular activity. Though daily updates will be sent, logging into this space regularly is encouraged.